Okay, so I'm back to another video. This is your odd different type of content. I'm pressure washing today. Daihatsu F10. I featured this in the last video. Where was it on? That's on. That's the one. Yeah, I featured this in the last video, saying, oh, I was going to do some of this, some of that, but yeah, I was like, you know what, I'll do. My grandpa said, take it, clean it, and do whatever. So I was like, alright, fair. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so this is how it turned out. The GoPro ended up dying yesterday and I moved it this morning. Very dodgy way, do not recommend doing this. But turbo diesel, probably going to be put into this. Turn the car off now. I only did that because steering is an issue. It was locked, which it didn't. Anyway, despite that, rust holes. I'm hoping it'll be easy to fix. Probably not. I did not know this was even hanging out. What is it? Well, it was a button, which I'm assuming would have sat up there. Up here. Anyway, that's beside the point. It came out pretty well. Cleaned very well out, I reckon. Except for that side over there, there's no holes for it to get all the dirt out. I'll show you. You can actually see it's fully potential colour. It's insane. Yeah, there's still dirt and stuff here, but anyway, let's get into the before and after. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. I quite enjoyed cleaning this up. Makes it look brand new. Well, brand newish. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you and see you next time. Peace.